Do.
Okay, did you mix them up?
Yep.
All right, we're ready for the exploding potions. Owen's. Whoa, green. And Eamon's was orange, red. Cool.
The Red River of Blood.
What do you think, Owie? Is it still exploding?
If I stir mine, it will explode. Mine is folded. And not folded. I want some this on this.
You want to add different colors? Eamon can help you.
Help me, Eamon. Now, should we like put different colors in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, Mom, I need some more vinegar.
We'll see.
The grand finale.
I don't know if you'll notice yellow in your red.
Oh, give me this. Grand finale blue.
What did you do there, Owie?
Mom, look how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
Mom, hand me the
Let
green.
Owie try some other colors.
I
Eamon?
want them there. On the down, 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 down.
Let Owie squeeze.
Like that.
Cool.
Oh, have some blue. I have them there. I put some in. Look and stir it. Oh, it makes it blue, green river. Mom, now can I have the green?
Yep.
Wait, I don't think there is anymore. I put that in there.
You need more baking soda. Give it to Eamon.
Here, Eamon.
Or get the baking soda from Eamon, I mean. Can you give it to him, Diggy?
Oh, and bring yours over here.
No, here. Here, Owie, that's what you need.
Wait, I need some more too. Wait, my spoon. It's dyed in colors. Wait, I need some of this. Oh, that's
Cool. Is it fizzing, Owie? And Eamon's.
Oh, and look at that. I think we're gonna use all of this. Mom, isn't this so like a show?
Cool. All right, boys, say bye-bye to the video.
Bye, video. Bye, video.
Say bye-bye, Owie.
Bye.